Hi guys, so in this video, let us understand basically that how you have to start your actuarial journey with Institute of Actuaries of India. So if you have planned to enter into actuarial and you plan to give your exams from Institute of Actuaries of India, then basically in order to become a student member, you either have to give ACET or you can enter via non-ACET route. So let us first understand the difference in ACET and non-ACET. So ACET is Actuarial Common Entrance Test. So if you plan to become a member of Institute of Actuaries of India, then this is the first option that is available with you, that you can give this Actuarial Common Entrance Test, which is all about maths, stats, data interpretation, logical reasoning and English. Or if you have two exams from Institute and Faculty of Actuaries, then you can become a direct member of Institute of Actuaries of India without giving any entrance exam. So one option with you is that basically you can give this actual common entrance test, and the other option is that if you are basically there are certain categories which are exempted from giving ACET, so you can enter via non-ACET route as well. So fully qualified members of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Institute of Cost Accountants of India and Institute of Company Secretaries of India are not required to give ACET. If you have done MBA in finance with minimum 60%, again exempted from ACET. IIM graduate is exempted from ACET. BSc or MSc in actuarial science from any institute or college is exempted from ACET. BE from any institute with minimum 60% is exempted from ACET. IIT graduates do not have to give ACET. Fellow member of Insurance Institute of India do not have to give ACET. This point, remember this, that I have already told. If you have passed two papers from Institute and Faculty of Actuaries, from SOA, from CAS Society, from South African Actuarial Society, or from Australia Actuarial Society, you do not have to give ACET. If you have qualified first year BSc, MSc from Amity University, you do not have to give ACET. If you have done any graduation or post-graduation diploma in actuarial science, exempted from ACET. Graduation and post-graduation diploma in actuarial stats, exempted from ACET. Bachelor of Stats from Indian Statistical Institute, Bachelor of Mathematics from Indian Statistical Institute, Master of Stats from Indian Statistical Institute, Master of Mathematics from Indian Statistical Institute, Master of Science in Quantitative Economics from Indian Statistical Institute, Master of Science in Quality Management Science from Indian Statistical. So if you have done anything related to this, then you are exempted from ACT and you can directly become a student member. In order to basically become a student member, you just have to fill out the form, and it's clearly mentioned that you have to go to the admissions tab under the student tab, click on the link student membership form. Basically this form is applicable for non-ACT students only. So you need to enter your name, you need to enter your email ID, your date of birth, get the OTP, and the system will generate OTP on your ID, and you just have to enter the OTP and click on get registration form, fill up all the details. They will ask you to upload certain documents. The attested photocopies need to be uploaded. Then you need to make online payment of the fees. Basically you will get an email confirmation from IAI for the same, and once this is done, you will receive an approval email on your registered email ID. And in case even if the payment fails, most of the students have this query, so you have to just click on try again and redo the process. So there's a payment of 4,000 that you need to make, and this is the list of attached documents that need to be uploaded. So date of birth proof, photo ID proof, mark sheet, in 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, any name change document, marriage certificate if applicable, final examination certificate, and fees to be paid you have mentioned. It's basically 4,000. So if you take admission from 1st April to 30th September, then you need to pay 4,000, which is applicable for financial year say 1st April से लेकर basically till next March तक वो applicable रहेगा. And students who are taking admission during the period from say from 1st October to 31st March, then they will have to pay the total admission fees of 4,000. But such students do not need to pay membership fees in the next financial year, but have to pay the subsequent financial years. मतलब renewal pay करना होगा basically. So if admission is taken, say if they are mentioned from 1st October to 31st March 2022, then the membership is valid till 31st March 2023. You just have to renew your membership on 1st April. So, and fees once paid is non-refundable. So this is the criteria. In case you face any issues, you can contact the mentioned email ID or the phone number. So I hope this answers your question, because this is the major doubt that students ask, that basically we want to enter into Institute of Actuaries of India. Then if we do not fall into this criteria, then the only way of entering is that basically you need to give ACET, which is Actuarial Common Entrance Test. So I hope this answers your doubts with respect to how to start your actual journey with the Institute of Actuaries of India. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay tuned for more videos coming to your way.